I'll ask the same question. Which is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Why? Teacher is that. Teacher.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Whatever we have did together.
You're standing next to teacher and you're telling this. How dare you?
In our college, it's not only for academics, it's basically for what people actually love to do.
Even Virat Kohli says that. All internals headache alva. What I see in Cambridge Institute of Technology, it's not only the academics.
More than studying, I guess I do traveling more.
Traveling from where to where?
ಗಿಲಿ ಗಿಲಿ ಮಾಟಿಗೆ
ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
They write it by their own. This time was the thing that I noticed immediately. That the thing I got it.
ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಬಾ ಹಕೀಮ್. ನಾನು CIT ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. CIT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಓಕೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PU ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹಲೋ,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Lipika.
Lipika,
Yeah.
which is your favorite subject in this semester?
I think it's CAD.
You think it's not?
I know it's CAD.
Okay, you know it's CAD. Okay, why?
It's new to me,
Okay.
and I found a newfound interest in that, and kind of like it.
Okay, pass the mic. Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
Yeah, doing good.
I heard that you are Mallu Putti.
Yeah.
You're from?
Kerala, Kannur.
Kannur. So Kerala, മലയാളിಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
കേംബ്രിഡ്ജ് നല്ല കോളേജാണ്. ക്ലാസ്സസ് അവിടെ ഇവിടെ ഇടക്കായിട്ട് നടക്കും. ടീച്ചേഴ്സും നല്ലതാ.
ಆ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ഇല്ല, ഐ ആം ടെല്ലിംഗ് ദേ ആർ ഗുഡ്.
Okay, that's what you are telling.
ബങ്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ ചാൻസ് കിട്ടിയാൽ നോക്കണം എന്നുണ്ട്.
What does it mean?
If I get a chance to bunk, I will see.
You didn't bunk till now.
Not as far as I remember.
It's second semester and you spent almost 6 or 7 months here. You didn't bunk.
I guess 1 or 2 mostly.
1 or 2. You bunked already.
Waiting for more.
Waiting for more. Yeah. Pass the mic. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Pooja.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು?
Bangalore itself.
Bangalorean. Okay, so how was this campus?
Campus ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Teaching is also good.
Okay.
Infrastructure is good,
Uh-huh.
and selection also,
Okay.
and teachers are of course good.
I'll ask the same question. Which is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Why?
Teacher.
Teacher is that. Teacher is there. That's why she's telling math. Okay. So which is your favorite spot or place in this college?
Canteen.
Okay. What is speciality in canteen?
The fried rice we get, the chicken fried rice.
Is it good?
It's good.
After this interview, will you take me there?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Pass the mic to one dimple guy. He's very cute, no?
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Sharan,
You're from?
Bangalore, ma'am.
Pakka Bangalore hudagana?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Pakka Gaudur huduga tara. Pakka Bangalore huduga. Okay. Sharat, tell me, what you dreamed about your college life?
Bunking,
Oh.
enjoying with friends.
You're standing next to teacher and you're telling this. How dare you? They're very
Nothing.
cool though. Okay. After bunking, how you prepare your classes?
I'll take notes from my friends
Okay.
and study in library or in home, ma'am.
They'll make you understand.
Yeah,
Next day, if you go to teacher and tell some false stories that this happened, that happened, Ajja tirkondru, hage hege, that's why I didn't come. Will they agree?
no, I'll say I'm not well, ma'am.
Oh, you're not well. Hello, madam.
Hello,
Namaskara.
ma'am.
Your name?
Namaste. Megashri.
Okay. Which subject, ma'am?
I
Maths.
handle maths.
Maths. So your favorite student, I
Yeah, all are my favorite students, ma'am. Everyone are good in studies.
Everyone is good.
Good in
Okay.
studies.
Who's the naughtiest?
Naughtiest, yeah, they do it like as I said, they are good in studies as well as they are naughtiest, but they do not act in front of us. Behind us, they act very well.
ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಜೆನ್ಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ even for the parents, and they are all Gen Z kids. Is it true?
Okay, ma'am. We have to go in their way and they have to pull them. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Usually they say all the elders. So whenever they do not come to our track, we have to go to their track and then hold them.
That's very smart answer, and she is practical. She is right. Are you enjoying this campus as well?
Yeah.
Which is
Yes.
your favorite place?
Usually it is our cabin where I get my time to prepare or do whatever the things related. Apart from that, usually we spend in canteen along with the colleagues where we find time to chat or think about ourselves little bit.
What I see in Cambridge Institute of Technology, it's not only the academics. You have very good students who are good in sports, who are good in music,
Yeah.
dance, and many platforms. How do you feel after seeing all this?
Yes, ma'am. They have been given an opportunity. The college also provides an opportunity to open up with whatever the talent they have. So they are involved in many of the events by now. Even though in the first year they got a chances to participate in many of the events, organize the events, and along with that, they balance with the studies also.
Okay.
That I appreciate among all.
Very nice. Pass the mic. Hi, sir.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
प्रियांशु बेहरा,
प्रियांशु. कहाँ से हो प्रियांशु?
छत्तीसगढ़.
छत्तीसगढ़ से बैंगलोर आए हो. कैसा लग रहा है? कैसा है हमारा बैंगलोर?
It's good.
सच्ची?
It's better than my city.
Okay.
Not in terms of peaceful life, in other ways.
Yeah, it's very peaceful, and many tells the same thing. Whoever come from north, east, west, whatever part of the world, when they come to Bangalore, they say, "Yeah, Bangalore is cool." Bangalore.
Yeah, it's
Even
better than
Virat Kohli
North
says
India.
that. Even Virat Kohli says that. Okay. What do you like the most in Bangalore?
I haven't visited. Many
बाहर
places.
गए हो कभी
No,
कैंपस से?
Not much.
Not much. So इधर ही आसपास.
Yeah.
Are you staying in hostel?
Yeah, hostel.
How's hostel?
Hostel is good.
Food?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Why you selected this Cambridge?
Because of my Comet K rank.
Comet K rank. Okay. So what are your expectations towards the management or this campus?
The things which I find good here is the sports facilities.
Sports
basically.
facilities.
I spend my most of the time in indoor stadiums,
What do you play?
badminton, basketball, chess.
Oh, basketball. Very nice. Okay. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, very decent student. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
My name's Naren, ma'am.
ನರೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
Born and brought up in Bangalore.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
Stories.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
No, ma'am, there's nothing which they don't know because
What, ma'am? You are asking such a decent person this stupid question ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ
no,
ನೀವು?
ma'am, nothing like that. Whatever we have did together. So basically, there's nothing that they don't know.
Okay. How is your classes going?
Yes, ma'am, it's going fine.
What's your
Good.
score?
Score
First sem?
First sem 8.2 CGPA.
Very nice. Okay. Are you loving machines?
Actually, I chose AML because it was at the peak. So basically, it's told that is the future. So probably it would be good choosing AML. So I chose AML.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
What's your name?
Rakshita.
Rakshita. Rakshita from where?
Bangalore.
I heard you are very talented and you are super talented, super dancer.
I'm just talented, I guess. There are many who know better than me. So,
Okay.
yeah.
What do you do? Singing, dancing?
I'm a classical dancer.
You're a classical
Yeah.
dancer. Can you dance for us? I'll play a song later.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So who is your favorite teacher?
Actually, Megha ma'am. I'm just not telling because she's here, but
Okay.
yeah, everyone know that I like Megha ma'am. So.
Okay, what's the speciality of Cambridge Institute of Technology?
Basically, like whenever people talk about college, it's basically what they see about academics or something. But here in our college, it's not only for academics, it's basically for what people actually love to do. They support what we actually want. So that's the more important thing. In our
Very
college.
nice. Pass the mic. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Disha.
Disha from
Udupi.
Oh, ಉಡುಪಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸಿದಾರಾ? ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು ಹಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ದಿಶಾ ಉಡುಪಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಟಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
Born and brought up Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Okay, you are a Bangalorean,
Yes.
part of Bangalorean.
Yes.
So tell me what's the full form of AI?
ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಹಾ.
ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Artificial intelligence. Okay. Why you selected this subject?
First in CT I got information science course. Then I was like, let's see CS or AIML.
Okay.
Then I got the seat in AIML. So I was like, let's see.
Okay.
It will be good.
It will be good.
But it also depends on the students.
Correct.
On how they perform in their course. It depends on their future as well.
How many hours you'll study in there?
More than studying, I guess I do traveling more.
Traveling
Up
from
and
where
down.
to where?
From almost near Vattur to college, it takes like 2 hours from BMTC.
Ayo.
So A day, 4 hours traveling.
4 hours traveling. In these 4 hours, what do you do?
Listen to music or just sleep or just read something from the PDFs or something.
Okay, pass the mic. Hello, madam.
ಹಲೋ
What's your name?
ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಜೇಸಿ
ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ AI ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನೋ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು ಹೀಗಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದು. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್?
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ CSE ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು CSE ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು AIML ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್,
ವೆರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್.
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗಿಂದಾನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್.
ಸೊ ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೂಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದು. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ,
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಇರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇರಿಟೇಷನ್
ಇವ್ಳ
ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಇವ್ಳದು ಇರಿಟೇಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೈಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಳು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್
ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ವಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಅವರು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿತ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ.
ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಮೈಕ್. ಸೊ ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಒಬ್ರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹರ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಹಾಯ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Ananya.
अनन्या, कैसे हो?
अच्छी हूँ.
अच्छे हो. यूपी और कर्नाटका, यूपी से बैंगलोर कैसा आना हुआ?
फ्लाइट से.
फ्लाइट से क्यों?
क्योंकि बहुत डिस्टेंस है. Like it's about something about 4,000 kilometers from there.
चल के आती तो कितने दिनों में आ सकते थे? एक नहीं,
19 to 20 days. I guess.
बस इतना ही.
I saw it in the maps.
You already see. So why you selected CIT?
I got this college from my Comet K rank only.
Okay.
That's why.
Only for that?
No, I visited some other colleges also that I was getting from Comet K. This was the best college among them.
What was your plus 2 performance result?
I got good marks only. I got 82% in 12th.
Okay, very nice. Okay, and CET?
In Comet K, my
Comet
rank
K
was
is
25,000.
25,000. Okay. How are you feeling in Bangalore? Are you staying in hostel?
Yes.
How's hostel?
Hostel is good.
Hostel life is good.
Hostel life is good.
Are you enjoying Bangalore life?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Okay. In UP, what you're missing? क्या miss कर रहे हो सबसे ज़्यादा?
Since Bangalore is the IT hub, so that's why I chose Bangalore. Otherwise, there are colleges in UP also. But for more exposure, I'm studying in Bangalore.
So degree खत्म करके graduation करके यहीं चली जाऊंगी काम पे.
हाँ, I want to stay in Bangalore.
You want to stay in Bangalore, so you have started loving Bangalore. Okay. कौन आपका पहला फ्रेंड बना जब आप यहाँ आए थे?
There is a girl in my class named Megha.
Okay.
She is my first friend.
Okay, please pass the mic. Who is super talented here? Who can sing, dance? Yes.
ಗಿಲಿ ಗಿಲಿ ಮಾಟಿ ಗಿಲಿ ಮಾಟಿ ಕೆ. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Pass the mic. What's your go-to excuse when you arrive late to the class?
Traffic.
Traffic. Where you stay? You're staying in a hostel only. Come on.
No one knows.
Ma'am knows, no?
Only ma'am knows.
Only you give this reason.
No, I'm
If your college life was a movie title, what would it be called?
Varanamayiram. It's a Tamil movie, so probably it's of Surya's actor Surya. So basically, it's my favorite movie. Probably if I only take the college life part.
Pass the mic to this girl. ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಷನ್? ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯುವರ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ global professionals. So dear, your question is, what's one thing you are really looking forward to in the coming semester?
I think more opportunities in extracurriculars, and I think scoring more is important.
Scoring more.
Maintaining my CGPA and SGPA like constant throughout all semesters, and looking for more opportunities, joining clubs.
Okay, how is your seniors? Are they supportive?
Yeah, actually.
Supporting?
Yeah.
Are you connecting with them?
Yeah, actually, maximum most of my friends are also there, like
Oh.
as my seniors.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is that they don't make us feel they're seniors.
Seniors.
Yeah, they have a very good friendship bond with us. So yeah, they're cool.
Very good. So you sing well and dancer, no?
Yeah.
Okay, pass the mic. So your question is, ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
New things ಏನಂದ್ರೆ I don't speak to people much. I don't go and speak to them.
You're introvert.
Not always. When I'm close to people, I talk, but then I don't voluntarily go.
Okay.
ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಅ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಅದಾದಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರ ಜನರ ಜೊತೆ. ದಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಷರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ.
Pass the mic. I'll ask some rapid questions to you, okay? Theory classes are lab class?
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Why?
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
You enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay, pass the mic. Assignments or internals? Assignments. Tell me, my dear, ChatGPT ಇಂದ AI ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
That's the only thing I can rely on.
ಹೌದಾ?
Yeah, I give my opinion and it will frame a proper
It will correct.
Yes.
Okay. Viva or written exams?
Written exams.
Why? Why not Viva?
Because while giving Viva, I forget everything what I studied.
Okay. After seeing the
After
teachers.
listening to the question, I'm like, I didn't study this.
Okay. Ma'am, this question is for you. How many times you saw the same handwritings in assignments?
Recently, I got caught with him only. The assignment was written by some other, and his name was in the front. So
Many times it happened?
no, this is the first time. Usually they write it by their own. This time was the thing that I noticed immediately. That the thing I got it, and first time I caught it, ma'am.
Ma'am, what I observe in this half an hour, you are such a sweet professor in this college. That's why they are very close to you.
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
attracted towards you. And what you are expecting from this batch student?
Not only this batch, ma'am, every batch students, we expect that once they come here, because the parents, they to think about their parents also. They have been sent the students for studies to become responsible and to come good in their life.
Okay. Do you watch movies?
Rarely, ma'am.
Rarely. Okay. If you want to give title to this campus, what movie?
Usually in our call, like there was a movie in Kannada like Jolly Days or Happy Days. So I would like to say about that, ma'am. That title, Happy Days over here.
Very nice. Thank you. All the very best and do well in your exams, internals and assignments. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your opinion, thoughts about this campus. I really liked it. Thank you. Bye.